If you are looking to outsource manufacturing jobs for complete pumps, sub-assemblies or single parts, we are your experts. Our experienced and highly motivated professionals will assist you with all the stages of production, utilizing fully equipped, modern facilities and machinery. We offer an extremely broad spectrum of materials, from rust-resistant metals to superalloys like hastelloy, nickel or titanium, always combined with the specialized knowledge used in our own production operations. We are developing and manufacturing high-tech pumps from last 3 decades. Planning, designing and engineering pumps and systems are our forte areas. We bring comprehensive expertise in materials of construction, such as stainless steel, special alloys, fluorinated polymers, and ceramics, apart from offering personalized advice. We strategically source components from selected few suppliers, and manufacture key components to the highest quality standards. Our expertise in assembling pumps and conducting extensive pump testing make us the right choice for you. We ensure quality control and management apart from providing efficient logistics. If you consider us, you can be assured of the after-sales service support. Consider Sintech pumps for enhancing your production capacity, outsource manufacturing jobs for complete pumps, sub-assemblies or single parts, and consider us for outsourcing after-sales services to any part of the world.